用兩個例說明我哋經常要用 past tense 過去時態講將來嘅事。首先，我係窮光蛋一名，冇辦法一晚之間成為巨富。就算我發達，我都唔會辭職。Even if I became a billionaire tomorrow, I would still keep my job. Became 同 would keep 都係 past tense， 咁係正確嘅。唔好講 Even if I become a billionaire tomorrow, I will still keep my job。呢句係錯咗嘅。第二個例，你請我聽晚食飯，我話I would be delighted to have dinner with you if I didn't have to work late tomorrow。呢句嘅意思咧，即係話我查過要開嘢，好抱歉唔能夠應約啦，多謝晒，我唔陪得你食飯啦。睇下呢句 I will be delighted to have dinner with you if I don't have to work late tomorrow。呢句嘅意思咧，即係話我而家仲唔知道啊，使唔使開嘢？查過如果唔使開嘢咧，當然好樂意同你食飯啦。兩句嘅意思係截然不同嘅。有啲學生呢，就係唔知道用 past tense 可以講將來嘅事，因此學嚟學去都冇法子掌握到 subjunctive mood 假設語氣。